If the thought of drilling holes in your GMC Sierra in order to install aftermarket lights and accessories gives you the chills, worry no longer. Larson Electronics has the solution. With one of our magnetic mounting plates, you will be able to outfit your truck with a wide variety of magnet-mounted equipment such as remote control spotlights, strobe lights, and mini light bars, all without drilling any holes in your truck. These magnetic mounting plates are essential for owners of both aluminum body and steel body trucks. Larson Electronics magnetic mounting plates are designed to be installed using existing holes that are already on your truck for the brake light on the back of the cab. The MMP series of magnetic mounting plates measure 24 inches by 8 inches, which gives you plenty of room to deploy any compatible equipment that you need on your vehicle. Worried about water getting in? Don't! Every Larson Electronics magnetic vehicle mounting plate comes with a waterproof gasket. Whether for work or play, having the ability to mount a variety of lighting equipment without risking damage to your pickup truck is vital to getting the job done when extra light is needed. Don't void your warranty or lease agreement. Don't decrease the value of your truck. Order a Larson Electronics magnetic vehicle mounting plate today. They're in stock and ready to ship. Check out our selection at larsonelectronics.com. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.